Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pineapple jalapeno smash. Super tasty and delicious cocktail. All we need is 3 ingredients to make it. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need tequila, pineapple juice, jalapeno and fresh lime juice. We're going to start with jalapenos in a mixing glass. Half ounce of fresh lime juice. Now we're gonna muddle it. Ice. 2 ounces of tequila. And 2 ounces of pineapple juice. We're gonna shake it. We're gonna rim our glass with tahini. Ice, and we're gonna double strain it. And we're ready to garnish. All right, let's give it a try. Cheers. This is good. Pineapple don't overpower the cocktail. I do get some heat from the jalapeno and a bit dangerous. I don't taste the tequila. I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. And that's how you make the pineapple jalapeno smash. Alright, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!